Welcome back to another Under 2 Minutes episode. Today we're going to be going over how to create your own document in Illustrator. This is just going to be a crash course. When you open Illustrator, you're going to come up on this page. You're not going to have anything at the bottom here. These are some illustrations I've been working on, so they're a recent tab. But up here, you are going to have some presets that you could click to just jump straight into a document if you wanted, but we're going to go ahead and click Create New. So when you click Create New, this is going to pop up for you. As you can see, there's more recent items for me as well because I work with a lot of different sizes and shapes. At the top, you have presets. Each tab you click is going to open a drop down with specific presets that you can choose. These presets are going to change the width, height, and the type of sizing that Illustrator uses. Points, picas, inches, millimeters, centimeters, and pixels. Now normally I work in points or inches. Of course, you can work in whatever you prefer. A lot of print uses points. Film uses pixels, of course. So does mobile as well. You can change the orientation from vertical to horizontal depending on what you want, which can be changed later. You can also add more artboards. We'll go into that in detail. Bleeding, which allows for a border that you can bleed colors outside of, that I'll go into later. And a bunch of advanced options. Color mode, raster effects up to 300 ppi, and being able to preview in a specific style that you want. So whichever you decide, you can just choose it, pick an orientation, and hit create.